Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making these delicious croquette potatoes. I'll be using 750 grams of potatoes. I'm using the Maris Piper variety. I'll get the potatoes peeled and chopped into even-sized chunks. Give them a quick rinse off and cook them in salted water. In the meantime, I'll grate 50 grams of cheese. I'll be using a mature cheddar. And into a bowl I've weighed out 100 grams of breadcrumbs. And in a separate bowl I'll whisk 2 eggs. After 15 minutes my potatoes are soft and I'm just going to leave them for a few minutes to drain really well. Returning my drained potatoes to my pan, and I'll spend a few minutes mashing the potatoes. I do take some time with this because I want my potatoes as smooth as I can get them. Then I'll add 25 grams of butter and I'll mash that in really well. When all of the butter is mashed and melted into the potatoes, I'll add the 50 grams of grated cheese. Again, I'll mash that through really well, and at this point I just want to taste and add some salt and pepper. I'll have another taste, and once the potatoes are seasoned to my liking, I'll add 2 egg yolks and combine till smooth. Brush my baking tray with some oil and I've preheated the oven to 180 Celsius. I'm using a fan oven. And then I'll start shaping my potatoes. So here I've got a bowl of seasoned flour, the 2 eggs from earlier and the breadcrumbs. I'll coat each one really well and pat off the excess flour, and then I'll submerge into the egg and shake off the excess egg and cover all over with breadcrumbs. Once they're all done, I'll lightly brush each one all over with some oil. Now they're ready for the oven, and I'll bake for 20 minutes or till golden brown. And after 20 minutes in the oven, they're ready. I really love my potatoes cooked like this. Smooth, cheesy mashed potato, well seasoned in the centre and crispy, crunchy breadcrumbs on the outside. So if you've enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a like, leave me a comment, share with anyone you think might enjoy it, and please subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.